Hello everyone, this lecture is related to rate of chemical reaction. We have already discussed that what is the rate of chemical reaction. In this lecture we will discuss about further the rate of chemical reaction. Now as we know that rate of chemical reaction is nothing but it is change in the concentration change in the concentration divided by change in time. Mathematically, it is written as change in the concentration divided by change in time. Or suppose if we have a reaction, in simple reaction, the A is converted into B. This can be isomerization reaction or neutralization or some other type of reaction in which A decomposes and converted into B. Now the concentration of A, suppose at time t1, suppose at time t is equal to 0, the concentration of A was Ca naught, which is, suppose at time t is equal to 0, the concentration of A was 5 molar. Suppose the concentration was 5 molar at time t is equal to 0. At time t is equal to, suppose at time t is equal to 2 minutes, the concentration of A was C1, which was, suppose it was 1 molar. After 2 minutes, the concentration was 1 molar. So what will be the rate of this reaction? The rate of reaction is, we know that the rate of reaction in term of A is Ra, which is nothing but 5 change in the concentration 5 minus 1 divided by change in time 2 minus 0, which is 4 divided by 2 molar per second, which was the rate of this chemical reaction. So this was a simple problem. Now similarly, if we consider B, this is a simple reaction. In this reaction the B increases. So at time t is equal to 0, the concentration of B was not present, so concentration of B was 0 molar. At time t is equal to 5 minutes, the concentration of B was, this is Cb naught, initial concentration of B, and this is the final concentration of B, or the concentration of B at time t is equal to 5 minutes is equal to, suppose it is 3 molar. Suppose it is 3 molar. So what will be the rate of this reaction in term of component B? It will be change in the concentration of B, which is 3 minus 0 divided by 5 minus 0, which is 3 divided by 5 molar. Suppose if the time is in minute, then it will be 5 molar. 3 divided by 5 molar per minute. So this is the simple relation. Now graphically we can also discuss this.